In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect pages in Framer. If you want visitors to click a button, a piece of text, or even a frame and move to another page on your site, Framer makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up so your pages are connected properly and your navigation feels smooth and intentional. First, head over to Framer and open the project you want to work on. Once you're in, click on the page you want to open so you can start editing it. This is the page where the clickable element already exists or where you want to add the connection. Next, click on the specific text, button, or frame that you want people to be able to click. This part is important because Framer applies the link to whatever element you have selected. So before moving on, make sure the correct item is highlighted. After that, look over to the right-hand sidebar and find the link option. Once you see it, click the plus icon to add a link. This tells Framer that the selected element should now lead somewhere when someone interacts with it. Then, open the drop-down menu and choose the page you want that element to lead to. For example, you might connect a button to an About page or a Contact page, depending on how your site is structured. Selecting the correct destination here is what completes the page connection. And that's it. Once the destination page is selected, your element is linked and ready to guide visitors to the next page. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double check that you selected the right element and the right destination page, especially if you're building multiple links across your project. That's how to connect pages in Framer quickly and cleanly using the built-in link settings in the editor.